Look at this. We found a little froggy in the garden. Look how cute. Can focus here. There we go. Little beautiful. I think it's a little tree frog. Look at him. So cute. They're not scared at all. I think he thinks he's camouflaged. I'm pushing right up against the leaf he's on. Cool little froggy. There he goes. Look. Look at him. He's on the stem. Cool little frog. Such a cool thing. Never know if you keep your eyes open what you'll see in the garden. Okay, keep on gardening, guys. Just thought you'd like that little froggy. Let's see if he'll jump again. Oh, there he goes. Look at that. Look at him. Look how he clings. He just jumps around. Hello, froggy. How are you doing today? How you doing, buddy? See you later.